Imagine waking up in the morning. You go to your pig pen, and one of your pigs is weak, shaking, maybe even collapsing. Then you realize it may have eaten poison. At that moment, panic will hit you. But listen carefully. What you do in the next 10 minutes can decide if that pig lives or dies. In this video, I will show you simple emergency steps you can take immediately, even before the vet arrives, to save your pig's life. If you are raising pigs, one thing you must understand is this. Accidents can happen anytime. Your pig can eat. Rat poison, spoiled feed. Chemicals, contaminated water. And once poison enters the body, it starts working fast. But don't worry. Today, I will show you how to identify poisoning, what to do immediately, what not to do, and how to prevent it completely. Let's get into it. Section 1. Signs your pig may have eaten poison. Before you treat, you must first recognize the problem. Here are common signs: sudden weakness, refusing to eat, vomiting, rare but possible, difficulty breathing, shaking or trembling, walking like it's drunk, lying down and not responding. In serious cases, convulsions, body shaking violently, collapse. If you see these signs suddenly, especially after feeding, suspect poisoning immediately. Do not waste time. Section 2. First thing to do, very important. The first step is simple but powerful. Remove the source immediately. Take away the feed, the water, anything the pig was eating. Then, separate that pig from others. Why? Because if one pig ate poison, others may also eat it if you don't act fast. This step alone can save your entire farm. Section 3. The best emergency remedy: activated charcoal. Now listen carefully. The number one emergency treatment is activated charcoal. Why? Because charcoal works like a sponge inside the stomach. It absorbs poison and stops it from entering the bloodstream. This can slow down the damage and give your pig a chance to survive. How to use it? Step 1. Get charcoal. Best: activated charcoal from Vet Shop Alternative. Clean wood charcoal, no chemicals. Step 2. Crush it into powder. Step 3. Mix with clean water. Step 4. Gently give it to the pig. Drench. Important: do not force too fast. Let the pig swallow gradually. Why this works? Instead of poison spreading in the body, charcoal traps it in the stomach. And later, the pig passes it out through dung. Simple, but powerful. Section 4. Give water immediately. After charcoal, give plenty of clean water. Water helps to dilute the poison, reduce damage, prevent dehydration. You can also mix salt plus sugar, small amount. This acts like an energy and hydration booster. Section 5. Local remedy: milk. If you don't have charcoal immediately, use milk as a temporary solution. Milk helps to coat the stomach, reduce irritation. But listen carefully. Milk is not a cure. It only buys you time, so don't relax after giving milk. Section 6. Call a vet immediately. No matter what you do, always call a veterinarian, because different poisons need different treatments. For example, rat poison needs special antidote. Chemical poisoning needs injections. Feed toxins need detox treatment. Only a vet can handle that properly. Section 7. What not to do. Many farmers make mistakes that worsen the situation. Avoid these. Don't wait and hope it will get better. Don't give random drugs. Don't force too much liquid. Don't ignore early signs. And most importantly, Don't leave the pig alone. Monitor it closely. Section 8. Real farm scenario. Let me give you a real example. A farmer left rat poison near the pig pen. One pig ate it. Within hours, the pig became weak, started shaking, refused to eat. Luckily, the farmer acted fast, removed the poison, gave charcoal, called a vet. That pig survived. But another farmer ignored early signs. By the time he reacted, the pig died. So the difference is simple: speed of action. Section 9. How to prevent poisoning. Prevention is always better than cure. Here's how to protect your pigs. Never leave chemicals near pigs. Store feed properly. Avoid moldy or spoiled feed. Use clean water. Always keep rat poison far away from animals. Also, always check what you are feeding your pigs. Some farmers lose pigs not because of disease, but because of carelessness. Section 10. Emergency kit every farmer should have. If you are serious about pig farming, you must prepare for emergencies. Always keep activated charcoal, clean water supply, syringe or drenching bottle, salt and sugar. Vet contact saved. This small preparation can save you thousands of cedis. So remember this: if your pig eats poison, act fast, use charcoal, give water, call a vet. Delay can cost you your pig and your money. If you learned something today, like this video, share with another farmer, and subscribe, because here we help you farm smarter and make more profit.